Hello friends, today we will discuss the third question of Python programming of CBSE class 11. So the question is input 3 numbers and display the largest or smallest number. So here we have to take 3 numbers as an input from user and we have to display the largest or smallest number. So we will write this program on Jupyter Notebook as well as Python IDE. So before I start, I request you to subscribe our channel to get all the questions and solutions of Python programming of class 11. So now from here we will open command prompt. So let's type cmd and press enter. Now we will go into the folder or drive where we want to save our program. So let's type cd cbse-python. Here I am going to save our program. So press enter. So here we have to write Jupyter Notebook to open Jupyter Notebook. Make sure that you have installed the Jupyter Notebook in your PC. Now from here we will select Python 3. Now we will select heading to write the question. So this is the third question and the question is input 3 numbers and display the largest or smallest number, and now press Alt enter. Now here we will write the program for this question. So at first we will take the 3 number as an input. So number 1 equal to int input, and now here we will write the statement enter first number, and let's copy this line and paste it 2 more times, and let's change the variable name number 1 to number 2 and number 1 to number 3, and here also first into second and first into third. Now we can also write these 3 lines into a single line. So for that we can write as number 1 comma number 2 comma number 3 equal to, here we will use map function. So the syntax is int comma input, and here we will write the statement enter 3 numbers, and now here we have to write dot split function. For now I am commenting this line. After running this program I will show you how it works. So now we will write the condition if number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is also greater than number 3, and here we have to write colon, then what we will print? We will print number 1 is larger. After that elif number 2 is greater than number 3, and here also we have to write colon. So what we will print? Number 2 is larger. So here number 2 is larger. After that else what we will do? We will print number 3 is larger. Now by pressing Alt enter we will run this program, or we can run it from here. So let's press run. Let's take 3 number as an input. Let's take first number as 23 and second number as 34 and the fourth number as 8, and here we can see that 34 is the larger. So our program should return 34. So let's check. Now press enter, and here we can see that it returns 34 is larger. So it's correct. Now we will see how this line works. So let's comment these 3 lines. We can comment line by line, or we will comment in a combined way. So let's now run this program. Again we will run it from here, and here for this we have to take the input in a single line with a space. So, let us take 3 number, let us say 12 space 45 space 8, and here we can see that 45 is a larger greater number. So, it should return 45. So, press enter, and here we can see that it returns 45 is larger. So, it is correct. Now, we will see the program for a smallest number. So, let us copy this code and paste it here, and the only thing we have to change is that here we have to write the less than sign, and here also we will write the less than sign, and if this condition is true, so we will print number 1 is a smaller, and similarly here we will also change a smaller, sorry, and here also a smaller. Now, press Alt enter, and here we have to give the 3 number as an input in a single line, not press enter. So, let us take 3 number as an input, let us say 23, 56, and let us take third number as 89, and here we can see that 23 is a smaller number. So, our program should return 23. So, let us check. Now, press enter, and here we can see that it returns 23 is a smaller. So, it is correct. Now, we will see the same program in Python IDLE. So, for a while let us copy this code and now open Python IDLE. So, here press IDLE and now press enter. Now, what we will do? We will go into the file and we will select new file. Now, by pressing Ctrl V, we will paste the program. So, now by pressing Ctrl S, we will save the program. Let us go into the directory or folder where we want to save our program. So, now let us give the name as largest.py. Now, let us save. Now, from here we will run the program and run module, and here we have to give the 3 number as an input. So, let us give 23, 45 and 67, and here we can see that 67 is the largest. So, our program should return 67. So, let us check, and here we can see that it returns 67 is largest, and we can do the same for calculating the smallest number. So, please do like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.